What's that? What did you find?
Mushrooms.
Wow, and shell and snail. May I see the mushroom? Oh my. Oh! And there's a big one also, Macy. Wow, you really have. Okay, let's get another. We will. Can you put it there muna para hindi maano. Yan, yun yung mga hole na garden hole. We found some snails, a mushroom. What else? Shell. Okay. We will look for them.
Go there.
Let's go there. We will go there and get and look for more snails and more mushroom. Okay.
What's that there?
I saw a white mushroom over there. Ayun. We will get wet.
Wow.
Oh, come here. Oh, you try to come here and we will. Oh, don't step on my plants. There, I can see also. Ayun, Can you see it?
Yeah, and there's more there.
Yeah, there's more one there. Ayun, white. Oh, you get it.
Oh!
What?
Oh!
Snail again. Ang galing mo. Oh my, snail again. And the mushroom, white mushroom. Yan. Come here, you put it here. Oh my. Wow.
Oh.
Ito, you can put it here.
How would the kuha?
It's very hard to kuha the other two. Can you go there?
Yeah.
Okay, alam baka maano ka. Wait. I'll Okay. Oh, be careful. Tabi-tabi po. Okay. Be careful. Oh, dali. You go inside na. You get it.
Oh, there's another mushroom there.
Okay. There's a mushroom. Oh, be careful. Teka lang. Your head. Ay, yun pala eh. Okay na yan. Oh, come here na. Hey, come outside. Ako na lang. I will get it. Come here na.
And the other one too.
Yes. You come here na. You might hit your head dun sa bakal. You put it there. Ito, oh.
So many
Okay.
mushrooms.
I'll be the one to get the mushroom over there. The last two.